Hello and welcome to today's hair tutorial. Today is going to be a half updo with twisty braids and a fishtail braid. Take a section of hair from one side of your head and twist this section of hair backwards. Stick a bobby pin in the end so the twist doesn't fall out, while you repeat the same thing on the opposite side of your head. We're then going to tie them together at the back of your head, trying to tie them in the centre of the back of your head, keeping it quite loose at the moment. When you've tied them together, you want to keep a little gap so you're able to flip the hair through, and then pull it tight after you've done that. We're then going to repeat these steps again underneath the twists you've already done. You can do as many twists as you feel like doing. And then, gathering up some extra hair, you're going to do a fishtail braid, which is 2 strands of hair taking the outside of one strand and taking it over to the opposite side. I do have more videos explaining this if you need a little bit more help. You can then pull whatever braid you've decided to do apart if you want to, just to give it the illusion of being a bit thicker. And that's the finished hairstyle. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out my other videos.